Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 24th and we're looking at the Nasdaq futures here, 60 minutes time frame. So we completed with 4. Now we do have a lot of previous indices chart of the day, like the S&P, ES, DAX and so on. Now all of them is going to show you exactly in the same view, same cycle, because they are correlated after all, right? Now we can see right here Nasdaq within with 5. This is intermediate degree, so we are now finalizing with 5, and within with 5 we are now already showing a 3-way rally. We have not broken above 2 new high yet, but we are getting very close to break, and we should be able to break it. Again, other indices already did it: Russell, EBEX, FTSE, Dow, and so on. Right now, it's very helpful to look at the market in the entirety instead of just looking at one specific index, for example, because again they are correlated. So having understanding the whole entire market is going to be very helpful, because like for example when we did the ES chart of the day a couple of days ago, we are calling for more upside because we look at other indices also already extending higher. And every now and then people will ask, well, why not double, right? Why not double? Yes, double is possible, but why do you want to call it double? Why? Because the market is bullish, the trend is bullish, other indices make new high, so why would we want to make a double, right? Because the thing is, if we have a bias, right? Now everybody has a bias, but at least we do have rationale about our bias, right? Because we look at technicals and so on. And because the thing is, if we are biased towards the downside, no matter what happens, you will always can justify. Even if it makes new high, you can justify, oh, this is a flat because it must go down. It does not need to go down, guys, right? That's what I'm saying is, we look at things in a objective way, as objective as possible, without any bias, without any stick in it, so that we can provide the most help. Right, it's all about probability basically, right? So here in the Nasdaq, looking to complete with 5, and this is the same cycle from April low, by the way. We've been seeing this all the time. This is April low. This cycle is still the same cycle, and we are at the last leg. So we finished with 4 here, and this is your wave 3, and we are now in the last leg, in the wave 5. Once it is complete, then this entire cycle is complete, and then we can see the bigger pullback after that. Now, shorter cycle, you can either do it this way, 1 2 1 2, and then extend higher a little bit more to finish 3 in black, 4 in black, 3 in red, 4 in red, 5 in red, and 5 in blue before finishing the cycle from April. Or another option will be that you can call this 3 4. Of course, you need to upgrade this if I call that 3 and 4, right? And then now, so this one will be 1 in black, 2 in black, and this is black B, black A, black C, and then now looking for wave 5 higher, and that's it. So the minimum expectation is just technically one more leg, break above here, and a 5 ways here, and that actually could be a wave 5 already. So it's either that, or we're gonna extend higher a little bit more in the wave 5 in the form of 1 2 1 2, like what we're showing here. Okay, now again, there is no reason to pick the top. I know a lot of people love to pick the top, right? And they're gonna be a hero picking the exact top, right? But we are not. We don't like to be a hero, so we would rather be letting the market to form the top and let us know it form the top, rather than we're trying to pick the top, right? So that's why we're calling this 1 2 1 2 to allow more upside, with the alternate being 1 2 3 4, and then now looking for last leg up 5. Now, no matter whether you're calling this 1 2 1 2 or 1 2 3 4, you are still at minimum looking for one more push higher to complete a 5 ways up from here. It could be diagonal, guys. If some people mention, well, you cannot put it 1 2 3. There is an overlap here. It's fine as a diagonal within wave 5. Okay, so So another leg up to finish this 5 swing up from here, and then that will be the minimum expectation. And 1 to 1 2 will extend even more than just 1 2 3 4 5. Now the minimum target here for this with 5 or the 5th swing will be 1.236 to 1.618. So this is going to be what my minimum expectation is from the move up into 25,498, 25,713. And then once we reach this area, we'll wait and see whether this is really 1 2 1 2 or 1 2 3 4 5. In fact, the extension could even be like this: 1 2 3 4 5 ending 1. So I can move it. You see, there are a couple of different ways to adjust this. We can do it this way, and we're gonna continue to extend higher until the end of the year if that's the case. Then that means we are only 1 of 5 here as a diagonal, and then 2 of 5, and then 3 of 5, right? So then you got 2 of 5 and then 3 of 5 and continue to extend higher. Now again, I can show you already 2 different possibilities, right? 1 2 1 2, 1 2 3 4 5 ending 1 of 5, and 1 2 3 4 5 ending 5. Now in all scenario, we're looking for one more push to the upside in all scenario. Okay, so that's the update here, guys, for today. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service we have for the index trial, and the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.